Hello! In this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for VIVO X80 Pro. So let's open our Google Play Store. From here try finding Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game that we want to download right here. So to fix this, let's go back, click on the profile picture, move to the settings, review the family, go for parental controls, and right here you can either disable parental controls entirely by typing in your PIN like this, or move to apps and games, enter your PIN code and select OK. From here increase PG to at least 16, make sure you save that setting. Now if we go back and try finding the game, it should be right here, and now we can play or install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.